Look through the window of the hell to see how progressive the children of these people you wanted to wipe out of the world they are today. Go through the whole world. Most populated tribe, the whole world are Igbo. Anywhere you see today, you must see Igbo man. If you go to Yoruba land, Igbos are plenty. The North, Igbos are plenty. Europe, Igbos are plenty. America, Igbos are plenty. Go to China. We have dominated the whole world. We are not struggling for anybody. We are not dragging anybody's land. We are not going to drag anybody's land. We are only looking for greener pasture. People that have billions of naira in your bank, all you can give them is 10 pounds, 20 pounds for them to start life. So I want you to look through the gate of hell to see how progressive, to see how successful we have made ourselves today. Come to this same country you fought for. This tribe is the richest among these. Don't be shocked to hear it. I know you are looking through the window of hell to see, because I know you are sitting at the right hand of devil in hell. There's no other place to be right now except hellfire. That is where your soul is resting in pieces. Shock you more. Your people are enjoying the fruit of your labor. Yenda imere ndi Igbo gabiga, ụmụ gị na-agabiga today. Ekwensu mepere gị ụzọ. Ekwensu mepere ya window ka ọ hụtụ lepa anya, ka ọ hụtụ ihe na-eme n'obodo a. This unity you fought for, look and see how your people are enjoying it.